Cryptocurrency: What It Is, Challenges, Limitations, and Global Regulations, 2025 edition. Welcome to this educational video on cryptocurrency, a topic that continues to evolve and shape the digital economy. In this session, we'll explore what cryptocurrency is, its limitations, challenges, and the regulatory landscape around the world, all based on the most up-to-date developments in 2025. At its core, cryptocurrency is a form of digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. Unlike traditional currencies issued by governments, cryptocurrencies are typically decentralized, relying on blockchain technology, a distributed ledger enforced by a network of computers called nodes. The first and most well-known cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, launched in 2009. Since then, thousands of cryptocurrencies have emerged, including Ethereum, Solana, Binance Coin, and many more, each serving different purposes. Here are some key features of cryptocurrencies. Decentralization, not controlled by a central authority. Transparency: transactions are visible on the blockchain. Security: cryptographic techniques make them hard to counterfeit. Global accessibility: can be accessed and used worldwide. Despite the innovation, cryptocurrencies come with significant limitations. Firstly, volatility. Prices of most cryptocurrencies are highly volatile, making them unreliable for everyday use or as stable investments. Next, scalability. Many networks face slow transaction speeds and high fees, especially during peak usage. Energy consumption is another issue. Proof-of-work systems like Bitcoin consume massive amounts of electricity, although proof-of-stake models are addressing this. And finally, user errors. Transactions are irreversible, and losing private keys means losing access to funds permanently. Let's now look at some ongoing challenges. Security risks. Despite strong cryptography, exchanges and wallets are often targeted by hackers. Lack of consumer protection. There's usually no legal recourse if a user is scammed or hacked. Illicit use: cryptocurrencies have been used for money laundering, ransomware, and other illegal activities, although the share of illicit use is small compared to traditional finance. Interoperability. With so many different blockchain networks, it's difficult to make them work seamlessly together. As of 2025, the regulatory environment is rapidly maturing. In the United States, the SEC and CFTC have defined clearer rules, treating many tokens as securities. The IRS now mandates reporting of all crypto gains, and stablecoins face strict backing requirements. In the European Union, the Markets in Crypto Assets (MiCA) regulation comes into full effect this year, requiring transparency, licensing for exchanges, and consumer protections. India regulates crypto as a digital asset, with a 30% tax on gains and 1% TDS on transactions, discouraging speculative use. In China, cryptocurrency trading and mining remain banned, but China is promoting its own central bank digital currency, the digital yuan. And in Africa and Latin America, countries like Nigeria and El Salvador continue experimenting with crypto adoption, but often face infrastructure and regulatory hurdles. In parallel, many governments are exploring central bank digital currencies, or CBDCs, which are state-issued digital currencies. Unlike cryptocurrencies, they are centralized and regulated, offering more stability, but less anonymity. Looking ahead, the crypto space is expected to move toward regulatory compliance and transparency, innovate through decentralized finance, DeFi, and tokenization, improve energy efficiency with sustainable consensus mechanisms, and expand into sectors like supply chain, gaming, and the metaverse. However, mass adoption depends on solving current limitations and building trust with users and governments alike. Cryptocurrency is no longer a fringe technology. It's a powerful tool reshaping finance, technology, and governance. Understanding both its potential and pitfalls is essential for anyone navigating the modern digital economy. This video is for educational purposes only. For more learning resources, subscribe or visit credible educational platforms. Stay informed, stay secure.